Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money by using the Brainly app. Brainly is a platform where you can ask and answer questions related to any academic subject. You can also create and sell your own educational content and get paid for it. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. First, you need to download the Brainly app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free to use, and you can sign up with your email or Facebook account. Once you're in, you can browse through different categories and topics and see what kind of questions people are asking. You can also search for specific questions using the search bar. To earn money from Brainly, you need to become a top expert on the site. This means that you need to answer questions correctly and quickly and get positive ratings from other users. The more questions you answer and the higher your ratings are, the more money you can earn. You can also earn badges and rewards for your achievements. Another way to earn money from Brainly is to create and sell your own educational content. This can be anything from worksheets, quizzes, videos, podcasts, ebooks, or courses. You can upload your content on the Brainly Marketplace and set your own price. You will get a share of the revenue generated from the ads displayed on your content. You can also promote your content on social media or other platforms to get more views and sales. Brainly is a great way to earn money while helping others learn and improve their skills. You can also learn new things yourself and expand your knowledge. It's a win-win situation for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Download the Brainly app today and start earning money by sharing your expertise and creativity. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.